If you or a loved one are struggling with type 2 diabetes, you should visit the link in the description below. This clinically proven, drug-free program lowers blood sugar to a normal level and can completely reverse type 2 diabetes within just a few weeks. Here's today's video.
The question, is type 2 diabetes genetic? Answer by Jonathan Brown. As others have answered, inherited genes affect the risk of type 2 diabetes, as does one's environment, personal habits, and simple aging. But as or more important than the genes you inherit are epigenetic changes, which can be inherited from parents or acquired in the womb in early infancy. It's not just the alleles, forms of each gene, that one inherits, it's which genes/alleles are switched on or off in various parts of your body as you developed in your mother's womb. Babies conceived during times of famine switch on hundreds or thousands of genes in anticipation of having to survive after birth in an environment of extreme scarcity. If these babies then grow up in a world of abundant food and little need to exercise, those switched-on genes become dangerously dysfunctional, leading to obesity, diabetes and other problems. These switching patterns can be themselves inherited, almost like true genetic variations, for at least a couple of generations. Epigenetics probably explains why 50% or persons over age 50 have type 2 diabetes in, for example, Middle Eastern countries that were desperately poor before the discovery of oil. It also explains why diabetes and prediabetes rates are higher among persons born during the Great Leap Forward famine in China, and during the famine in the Netherlands during World War II. Malnourishment causes other health problems directly, as well, such as high blood pressure resulting from the growth of too few arteries during gestation, pancreases that have too few insulin-producing cells to control blood sugar, and underdeveloped neural and mental capacity. Societies that do not feed and support mothers and children pay a huge price in underdevelopment and downstream social and healthcare problems. Answer by Angelia Griffith. Type 2 diabetes cause BBTH genetic and environmental factors. Scientists HV-link VRL gene mutations to a higher diabetes risk. NTVRNWH carries a mutation will GT diabetes. However, people with diabetes HVN are Mr. FTH mutations TNB typical T separate lifestyle risk from genetic risk. Lifestyle choices TNDT run in TH family. Sedentary parents TNDTHB sedentary children. Parents with unhealthy eating habits are likely T past THM and TTHNXT generation. On THTHR hand, genetics play a big role in determining weight. Symptom behaviors can TKLLTH blame. Diabetes is about controlling sugar that enter your body. My mom used to have a diabetes 2 symptoms, but after she lead a healthy lifestyle, she looks very happy and healthy without worrying about diabetes. I have found effective ways to cure type 2 diabetes and control your blood sugar level for designing her nutrition intake and diet program. IT works. Answer by Vidushi Rastogi. Establishing a genetic link to any disease conclusively is a long process. For type 2 diabetes, T2D, the scientific consensus is that people have genetic predisposition to T2D. In layman language, you have things in you since your birth that make you prone to get T2D. But there is more than blaming your parents. You are just prone because of your parents, but it is your lifestyle which increases the chances. Some studies establish that genetic factors for T2D are more influential than T1D. Some scientists believe that a child's risk is greater when the parent with type 2 diabetes is the mother. If both you and your partner have type 2 diabetes, your child's risk is about 1 in 2. People with certain rare types of type 2 diabetes have different risks. If you have the rare form called maturity onset diabetes at the young, MODY, your child has almost a 1 in 2 chance of getting it. 2. Read more here. The genetic landscape of diabetes.